Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know it's a girl Kellz, and by the title of the video you know what is going down. So basically today guys I'll be showing you how I created that look that you just saw a while ago. So what I'll be using guys, I'll be using Canicalan expression here, color T1, which is blue. It has blue at the end. So guys, what I'm starting off by doing is to get these braided first, because I will be doing a crochet style with them. So I started off by separating the hair into three different sections, one smaller meaning up to the other two sections, and I just bring them over the lace that I have right there, and I'm just going to braid it onto it. Now the way that I'm braiding it on, it leaves a space in the middle, which would be where you would crochet on the hair to your head. So basically guys, after I've done all of the braids, what I did was to just trim the excess hairs that was popping out from off the braid, because you want to get this as neat as possible. We all know the third steps in the process is hot water. Now the hot water will help the hair to kind of stay down, like all those hairs that's sticking out, it's help it to stay in place, give it a neater look. Now guys, right here I am using about 3 packs of the Canicalan expression here. I bought 4. I used 4 throughout the entire process, but this is 3 because I did not know how much would be needed. So I said, okay, I'm gonna do 3 first, and then I just follow up with whatever is left afterwards. So I'm just properly hot watering the hair to ensure that everything is stable and okay. Alright guys, so basically now I'm gonna I did the back, so now I'm gonna show you how I added the crochet onto my hair. So what I did was to use a crochet needle and insert it into one of the braids, close it, and then I'm going to bring it through under the hair. I'm going to snip the end into it. I'm going to close it. Make sure it's properly closed. Bring it through, and then you're going to close it again and just bring it through the top section. Now guys, this is a separate method than what you're probably used to, because normally what you would do, you would bring the crochet needle through the hair, you would add in the crochet braid and then loop it. But what I did was to add the hair first to the needle, and this is because of the pattern in which I braided the hair. It would be difficult for me to actually really find back the center without doing this way. So basically again, you add the hair to the crochet needle, you pull it through your hair, you then loop it through the other section of the hair, and that's it. Okay guys, so I lost my video guys to how I was going to show you my braiding pattern. So basically I cornrow in the middle, and then I have a perimeter empty around my head. So now I'm going to show you guys how I braid the front section, basically all the perimeter. So the method I'll be using is the rubber band method. So you know you will oil your rubber band so that it's not that hard and rough on your hair. So I'm just parting my hair now. Alright guys, so basically this is a close-up of what I'm going to do. So just watch carefully. So I'm going to part the section of my hair. I'm doing them light because I'm not doing jumbo braids. Now I'm going to use that clip just to get the hair out of the way, so that there is not any stray hair messing around in the section I'm going to work. So just adding some jam to the hair just to hold it in place, to give it that neater look. I'm adding some in the middle also, because you want to distribute it evenly throughout the hair. And then I'm just slightly gently moving my finger towards the end. After getting this section of the hair that you want, what you're going to do is you're going to get your rubber band, and you're just going to, yeah, just like that, you're going to place the hair in the center of the two sections. You're going to hold the two sections of your hair together firmly like that, and then you're going to grab your oiled rubber band, and you're just going to bring it around, I think I did around 6 to 10 times. I wrapped it around my hair because you want it to be secure, but you do not want it to be tight on your scalp to tear out your hair. So then you're gonna just open your natural hair, pull it just to secure it. Okay, so I'm bringing that down. Then I'm going to part the hair into 3 sections with the 2 strands from my natural hair in the middle, and then I'm just going to braid it straight down. So basically, guys, that's the process that I used for the front. The back section was to crochet, and the top section was the elastic band method, or the rubber band method, as everyone call it. Both are the same practically. Okay, guys, so basically I finished one of the rows at the front. So now I'm just gently detangling my hair to do the front section. Now, guys, as you always hear me talking about my hair front is like in need of some help. So I'm trying to be as gentle with it as possible, because I do not want to create more damage than what it already has. So guys, let me just show you one more time how I do the front section with the rubber band method. You're going to place the section of the hair, the braid, in between your 2 hairs. You're going to, you can wind it, you can grip it tightly, and then you're just going to use the elastic band just to secure the hair. After you secure the hair, you're going to just open your hair just to bring it down. Then you're just going to do the regular process at the end, is just to plait it out, braid out the end of the hair. Alright, guys, so basically I'm completed. It's completed. I'm just going to style the front just to bring in the excess hair that was out, because I didn't really do the front tightly, guys, as I stated, because I did not want to have my hair front tearing out. So I did it as light as possible, so it potentially might get fuzzy quicker than the other section of my hair, but it's worth it because I did not want to put any pressure onto my hair. So yeah, let's just wrap this up, guys, and let's come back to see me style it, basically. All right. Okay, guys, so I put on a little makeup with this, and there it is. Basically, that's the finished product. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some some extra decorations to the hair. So I'm just gonna add these, about 3 of them. I didn't want anything too extra, so just about 3 of them, just to give the hair a little bit more life. Okay, so I'm just clipping off the excess because I wasn't going to carry it down too far. My earring fell out. Alright guys, so basically that's the end of my video. That's the end. That's the finished look. Hope you guys enjoy. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Also share it if you think it's a great video. Yeah, so bye guys. See you next time.